You know, when we look at ourselves, we want to figure out what is the difference. What's the nuCamp difference? We know that there's not one thing per se that we can hold our hat on, but we feel that collectively, when we take our effort to just build the highest quality RV, let it be inspired by European designs and executed with Amish craftsmanship, back it all up with 5-star customer service, we feel like that is the perfect mix that creates the difference between us and anybody else. Scott Hubble, nuCamp CEO, and I've been here for about 15 years. I originally met Joe while he was working out of his garage. I was looking for new opportunities, and sort of the worlds collided. We both saw something in each other that was very similar, and that was a genuine care for people. On top of that, obviously, we were looking for quality and innovation. We got together, we started working, came down here to Sugar Creek, and initially it was a 3-car garage and a 2-3-man outfit. We built our way up, and within a year, we actually had about a dozen individuals on the team, and we built 450 units in that first calendar year. Since then, it's just been a great experience, a great ride. We've got a couple hundred team members right now. We base everything on our core values, which is to care genuinely, to serve others over ourselves, to work hard, and to always do the right thing.
This is actually a large piece of who we are and who we want to be a group of men and women that care deeply for each other, honor one another, and are transparent and build relationships that change people's lives. So that's kind of the core tenet, and then obviously allowing for that to happen allows us to also make high quality manufactured trailers. My name is Kevin North. I am the vendor relations manager here at nuCamp. I've been at nuCamp for approximately 4 years, and what really drew me to the company is in my first interview I was told that we are a company that builds people, and we do that, we finance that operation by the manufacturing of trailers. nuCamp's 4 core values involve caring genuinely, service over self, always doing the right thing, and working hard.
I have to tell you, one of the things that blew me away the very first time I came here 8 years ago was how clean.
Yeah.
Insanely clean. I've never seen a factory like this before, and I haven't since.
Yeah.
I mean, literally, you could eat off the floor.
That's actually what everyone says all the time. And I mean, it's a big part of who we are. And ultimately, like anywhere else, if you have a great place to work in and you have a clean area to work in, you're going to bring your quality level up a notch. And that's precisely why that's how we create this culture of always having high quality products.
Right. I mean, it's always extremely pristine, but your lines are pristine, your quality is pristine.
Yep.
And you can tell just by your factory why. Your standards are very, very high.
Well, thank you. We definitely strive for that. So yeah, so we're going to kind of keep walking here to about the middle of our line here. This is just the first phase of that line that we just saw. The chassis assembly and the floor assembly before it rolls over, and then you start building up the body and the ceiling, and then obviously the solar panels.
I know, it's crazy to watch that happen. And so fluent. Everybody has their job and they just boom, boom, boom. It's amazing.
It really is one of the things, like as you said, the cleanliness of our shop. We hang our hat on the craftsmanship, and that is what we really strive for, is the quality. As you can see where we came from up on the top, we have all the cabinetry that had been assembled in different parts, and that ramp, it tilts down and comes down so that the linemen on the floor here can start to take that off and then assemble it into the cabinetry as it gets built stage by stage as we go down the line. So as you get to kind of continue down the line, you get to see that we build it from the inside out. Then obviously more skeleton gets put on the top, and then eventually we get everything kind of starts coming together. And a large part of our, again, European design is we get a lot of components from Europe, as much as we can, really. These windows, for example, are directly imported from Slovenia. We have a complete seamless roof. There's only 3 manufacturers in the entire world that can paint line aluminum foil wider than 60 inches. There's nothing domestically beyond 60 inches. This comes from the Netherlands because we have 72-inch wide, 82-inch wide, and 86.
Sunflare is one of our core partners, and as with any partnership, be it personal or professional, I think it comes down to communication and fulfillment of expectation. So from the get-go, when we first met Sunflare, they came in, introduced the product that they had to offer, showed why it was different. We're all about differentiating ourselves. I saw a great fit. I saw a company that wanted to grow and make a difference and impact people in a different way.
The relationship between Sunflare and nuCamp has lasted as long as it has due to the ability for Sunflare to meet our needs. Again, we're always looking for high quality. Sunflare offers that. They offer the ability to work with us and to customize what meets our needs.
Most recently, we've seen how you guys have really stepped forward, moved overseas, set up a new shop. We made a specific request, and I thought it was a pretty tall order. You guys came through, and not only did you come through, you came in with something that was more than what we asked for. You went above and beyond. So those are the type of things that I believe makes the relationship so great. As we look forward, and there's a myriad of things that we could do and a lot of avenues we could explore, but our mission is to build the exceptional. And to build the exceptional doesn't stop with just the products that we make and the processes that we use, but it's about impacting people.